Okay, this is our last video review I'm going to create here in anticipation for the test. I currently have $500. If I save $100 per month, how long will it be before I can afford to buy an item that costs $2,000? Okay, so there's two, so that is 2 units of importance. So with 2 units, we want to make the side boxes like that. And my units are money and months. Okay. And the Y has been assigned to represent dollars, and the X has been assigned to represent months. Okay. So I would go dollars per month on this. And the dollars per month, I know it's 100. Okay, so good. Now I make my line, my XY line, and in front of the X, the slope was 100 because we're adding 100 times the months. And before $100 per month, I see that we have $500. So 500. So I write my equation, and it's 500 plus 100x equals y. Now the final number in the problem is $2,000. Now that's $2,000, so dollar stands for Y, so we will be putting that in for Y. Well, here's the Y, nothing with it, so I just scribble it out and put 2,000. Okay, so all I have here is 2,000. And on the other side, I've got 500 plus 100x. Well, I need to isolate the x, so I dot it and circle it. And I need to get rid of 500, so I subtract 500. Subtract 500. So I have 100.x, and that gives me 1,500. And then I divide by 100. And 1,500 divided by 100 is 15. So x is 15, and x is months, so it is 15 months before I can afford the $2,000 item. Okay, next, number 2. A golf club charges a one-time membership fee along with a cost for each round played. Each round played will cost $5. Remember, each and per mean the same thing. So far, I've paid 20 rounds of golf and paid a total of $250. How much total money will I owe if I play a total of 50 rounds this summer? So again, there's 2 important units, okay, and we see them, the money and the rounds. So I want to go with 3 sides. So my units are money and rounds. Okay, so money is Y, and rounds is X, okay? Dollars per round. Now you need to read the problem because we know how much each round costs. Remember, each and per mean the same thing. It says each round played costs $5. Well, that's the same as $5 per round, so we have our slope right there. Okay, so 5 is the slope. Get rid of that. And I have to, before the $5, I don't see anything, okay? But there's a membership fee that I need to find the cost of. And that membership's paid once at the beginning, so that's what we're finding. Okay, and my combo is 20 rounds and $250. They are in the same sentence, so let's use that as our combo. Okay, so we need to eliminate these 3 letters sitting here, knowing that my M is 5. I got to know which is which here. The money is Y, so $250 is Y, and 20 rounds is X, okay? So, 250. After 5, we times by 20, so I have $250. Okay, 5 times 20 is 100 plus B. Now, A lot of people get confused here which one they minus. Well, remember, the b is what I'm solving for, so I want to minus the one that's on the same side as the b. So I'm minus 100, minus 100. So that's 150, and that is b. Okay? So 150. Okay? So now I can write my equation. 150 plus 5x equals y. Okay, 50 rounds. That's the last number. Remember, don't use that last number till the end. 50 rounds. Well, rounds. Rounds is x, so that's going in for x. Here's x. Okay. So I parenthesize that, and I can put a 50 in for it. So what do I have? I have y by itself, and then I have 150 plus 5, parentheses 50. And when I'm solving for y, it's by itself, so I can just enter that into the calculator. So 150 plus 5 times 50 gives me 400. So I have 400, and then I have y. Okay, now I solve for y here, and y is money, so $400 is my answer. Okay, number 3. Just a few days ago, I filled up my lunch account balance. After 3 days of eating, I had $63 remaining on my balance. After 6 days of eating, I had $51 remaining on my balance. How many days since I filled up my account will my balance reach $0? Okay, so there's again 2 important units, the days I eat and the dollars. So my units, days and dollars. Okay, so days is x, and dollars is y. So dollars per day. Problem is, $63 doesn't say per day or each day. It says 3 days. So 63 is not going to work. And neither is 51 because that doesn't say each day. It says after 6 days I had $51. So I don't know this. So we're going to have to go with the y minus y, x minus x. Now remember, the y is money. So we got to remember to put money on top and days on bottom. Otherwise I'm going to get something that's all messed up. Okay, so y minus y, well, that's money, so $63 and $51. Don't use 0 because that's the final number. So 63 and 51. Okay, the days, I have 3 and 6. So I subtract up top, I get 12 and then negative 3. Now 12 divided by negative 3 is negative 4, so that is my slope. Now the reason it's negative is because every day my lunch account goes down, okay? I fill up my account, and then when we fill something up, it goes down, so by $4 a day. Okay, so we know negative 4 goes here. And then, since I figured out the $4 myself, I need to figure out the beginning amount myself. So y equals m dot x plus b. And we are going to need a combo for this. 3 days, I had $63, so those are in the same sentence. They will work for a combo. Okay, you can also use 6 days and $51. They'll be the same thing. Okay. Okay, so let's take m out and put negative 4 in. And then days is x, so we need to put that in for x, and 63 in for y. So y is out, 63's in, and then I times 3. So I have 63. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12 plus b. Remember, it's the negative 12 that's with the b, so that's the one we have to switch to adding, okay? So that's 75, and then we have b. So 75 goes here. Okay, so my equation is 75 plus negative 4x equals y, and then now we take the $0 and stuff that into the equation. Now it's dollars. Dollars is y. Okay, so here's y. Nothing against it, so 0. So I have 0 this time, and I have 75 plus negative 4x. So we got to get that x isolated because that's the letter I have remaining. So I minus 75. So I have negative 4 dot x. 0 minus 75 is negative 75. And I divide by negative 4. So I take negative 75, divide by negative 4, I get 18.75. That means it's going to run out in 18 days, okay? Meaning 19, I will not be able to eat that 19th day because I don't have any money left. Okay, number 4, a football coach is buying helmets and practice jerseys. The football coach buys 10 helmets and 15 practice jerseys for $1,350. If helmets cost $75 each, how much do the practice jerseys cost? Okay. I do this because there are 3 units, okay? Okay, so I go total, how many, it's on the board in case you need it, and then money total, money single. Okay, helmets and practice jerseys. So this is for money, and this is for non-money. This is for how many we have. So find a money amount. That's not a money amount. That's not a money amount. That's a money amount, but it doesn't say whether it's for helmets or practice jerseys. Okay, that's money amount, and that's for helmets. Okay, so 75. Now, I don't know the practice jerseys, so that's X. Okay. All right, now find non-money amounts. Well, I see 10 helmets. I see 15 practice jerseys. Okay, and now I have everything. Now I multiply. 75 times 10 is $750. And I write this as just 15x. And my total amount I have is 1,350. And then I can write an equation. Okay, so 750 plus 15x equals 1,350. Okay, so let's isolate the x. Dot it, circle it, and I need to subtract 750. Okay, 15 dot x. 1,350 minus 750 is 600, and then I go ahead and divide by 15. Okay, and when I take 600 divided by 15, I get my answer of 40. Okay, so the practice jerseys cost $40 each.